Here in South Florida, the growing season is all year long, so lawns and landscaping need continuous maintenance.
Commercial landscape maintenance for businesses are important for multiple reasons. First impression, your customer, client's first impression of your building is 9 out of 10 times landscape related. So aesthetically pleasing businesses, enticement, makes your business look more professional.
For a business, lawns, landscaping, and parking lots need to be kept neat and safe.
A lot of our job is to really educate our clientele on the proper horticultural technique and find that happy medium, the balance between what they expect as far as aesthetically pleasing and what we're going to provide in a horticulturally sound manner.
Country clubs are a special case. They have huge areas of landscaping, and it should always look perfect.
Landscape maintenance at a country club are going to differ from normal commercial landscape maintenance due to the expectation of their patrons.
The country club landscape includes planters, beds, and hedges that should always look their best.
In regards to bed maintenance, first and foremost, weed control is the most important, because they can overtake a landscape bed and then all of a sudden you lose your mulch or your rock and it's not aesthetically pleasing.
Nunez Lawn Care and Landscaping has teams spread across Florida, following a tight schedule that keeps commercial properties looking well-groomed.
When it comes to operations, your core services would entail your basic mowing, edging, line trimming, and hedge trimming. It's very important to keep these on a regular basis.
Lawns need care, and because the growing season is year-round, so are pests and invasive weeds.
In commercial landscape scope of work packages that we put together, we always use an agronomics program, which would include turf and ornamental spraying of pest and weed control, as well as fertilization.
Today, these trees are being beautified by Nunez landscapers. Trained specialists will shape these palm trees to not only look good, but grow healthy new fronds.
It is important to prune them and prune them to the correct horticultural position, which is 9 and 3, which means like the face of a clock. The lowest palm fronds should be at 9 and 3, like on a clock. They shouldn't be any higher. A lot of companies, they call it hurricane pruning, they lift higher. It's very detrimental to the health of the tree. It takes too much nutrients from it. Those trees get their nutrients from the palm frond.
As a family-owned business, licensed and bonded, Nunez Lawn Care and Landscaping provides high-quality, year-round service.
I'm always making sure our client is happy with the service. I'm always ahead of the people, making sure that we do what we need to do, and I'm always making sure that everything we do is in a safe way, and I really love what I do.
From modest beginnings 15 years ago to the company that has landscaping teams around the state, Cristal and Mario Nunez know the importance of treating employees with respect and care.
The employees are also a very critical part of our company. I always say when we have meetings, they really are the company.
I love my job now. Like I said, I've known the Nunez's about 15 years. I've been working for the company for a little over 2. We're a big company, but we're a family-oriented company. You feel like you're part of something.
For Nunez, integrity and customer satisfaction are a cornerstone to their operations.
Our word is very important to us. Whatever we promise the client, what we promise the client, it's important to us.
We baby your lawn. Keep the grounds around your business looking fantastic. Visit www.nunezlawns.com.